Look at Eric jaywalking. Look at Eric jaywalking. Look at the guy on the bike over there. And then Eric jaywalking. Use my manly voice. Yo, look at Eric jaywalking. Hollywood Boulevard. Look at him. Not a black person. Black people don't cross the street like that. They take care of themselves. Is that where fucking Oh shit.
I threw my wristband away, dude.
I'm feeling dirt. Did you really?
Yeah.
I'm ready to go in. Shit.